All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Friday idiom. Get a move on. Get a move on. To get started and moving. Get a move on. We need to get a move on. Get a move on if we want to be there on time. Yes. Very important. Yeah. We need to get a move on. We need to go. We need to get a move on. There's a schedule to keep. We have a schedule and we have to get a move on. Yes. Very important. Yeah. How can we get a move on with this blocking our way? Yes. Just when we need to get a move on, there is a traffic jam. There's a traffic jam. Oh, no good. Yeah. Did you know they need to get a move on? We've not got much time left. Yes, we have a deadline. Well, there is a deadline and you have to get a move on because there isn't much time left. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, so get a move on. We have somewhere to be. Get a move on, we have somewhere to be. Yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So, can you use get a move on in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev on YouTube, Facebook or Telegram or Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.